Hello and welcome to Toogit, a one-stop solution for businesses and freelancers to collaborate and get work done flexibly and securely. Let's understand how to request refund or file a dispute using Toogit. Log in as a client, click the In Progress tab and open the project for which you need to request for a refund. Click on Request Refund from the left side menu. Enter the reason for refund request. Click on Initiate Refund Request. Click on the flag icon on the right side top corner of the page. Click on the project which is in progress. Click on the dispute link on the left side menu. Enter a description for the dispute for Toogit to serve you better. You can also attach a file related to the dispute. Click on the Submit button to complete the task. Thank you for your time. Do visit toogit.com to understand how Toogit can help businesses and freelancers to collaborate in an online marketplace.